Hello. Thank you for tuning into the BC Liquor YouTube channel. I'm David Wolowidnyk, the resident cocktail stylist of Taste Magazine, and I've got a really cool cocktail to show you. This one is called Rad-ish. It's part of a trio of root vegetable cocktails you'll find in the fall issue of 2022. So with no further ado, let's get at it. I'm going to take my cocktail shaker and I'm going to take one of these radishes. I'm going to twist it right off. And these, by the way, I have pre-washed so that no worries there. And I'm going to take off the ends and just slice it up a little bit. I want to slice it up so I can kind of make it a little bit easier to muddle inside this cocktail shaker. All that goes right in. And next up, take your muddler. Make sure you, whoa, that radish tried to get away from me. Well, get back in there. We're going to take that and muddle away. You want to kind of smash it up, break it up a little bit, helps to extract some of the flavor. Now, to that, we're going to add a little bit of gin. Today, Bombay Sapphire. This Bombay Sapphire Gin is about 1 ounce or 30 mils in the recipe. Next up, some Aperol. Aperol is a slightly bitter, slightly sweet liqueur. Lots of different botanicals in this one. And this one, 1.5 ounces. Now, that does have a little bit of a sweetness to it, so we want to balance that out with a little bit of lemon juice, 3/4 ounce or 22 mils. Now we add a little bit of ice, and we're going to shake it up. Now we're going to shake it to chill, dilute, and aerate. I'm going to place a glass there. Before we add ice, I want to strain this through a double strain. Take a tea strainer, anything like that. There we go. Now I'm going to add a little dash of grapefruit soda. Go to the store and pick out your favorite grapefruit soda. Add in roughly 1 ounce or 30 mils of that. Now we can add either cubed ice, or if you have the ability of getting a nice large king cube, go ahead and grab one of those. Now, I don't want it to dump too low, so if I grab that a little bit higher on the cube, I don't want it to splash out. That's perfect. Now I can either garnish it with some slices of radish or get creative. Make yourself a little radish flower or something to that effect, just like that. And that is my radish cocktail. Go and pick up a copy of Taste Magazine in your local BC liquor stores. They're free. There's loads of great recipes, food, drink, articles to teach you a little bit more about what we do here with BC Liquor. I'm David Wolowidnyk, signing out for now, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.